Well, summer means bare legs and showing off your skin, but if you've got spider veins, wearing shorts or skirts can be embarrassing.
Well, now there's a new way to zap the stubborn little veins, and it promises instant results. So can it deliver? Health Watch reporter Beth Galvin is here now with some answers. Beth.
And Amanda and Tom, a lot of these treatments make big promises, and sometimes they work, sometimes you're disappointed. But one local plastic surgeon says with this treatment, you can actually see it work right in front of your eyes. Stephanie Davis knows weddings. She's managing editor of Get Married magazine. And now the Atlanta 30-year-old is thrilled to be planning her own big day.
I'm 3.5 months off. I'm very excited right now. It's just, we're done with everything. Everything is planned and ready to go. And now it's just, I'm hoping smooth sailing.
But before she ties the knot, Stephanie has come to OH2, an Alpharetta medical spa, to take care of one more thing. She wants to get rid of the tiny little red spider veins that make her nose look flushed. She's already tried a laser treatment.
And it was so painful. And it came back within a week. And I was so disappointed because I paid for it, got it done, and then to come back.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
This time, Stephanie's trying Veinwave, a new technology she's hoping can instantly make her veins disappear.
All of us know when you look in the mirror, did something work or not?
And with Veinwave, plastic surgeon Dr. Randall Rudderman says you can see the tiny needle erase the veins. Pulse by pulse, it delivers radio frequency heat right into the broken blood vessels, coagulating them and shutting them down.
Immediately, as soon as he put the mirror in front of me, it was gone. It was totally gone.
Here's Stephanie's nose before her treatment and after. It'll be a little bit red for a few hours, but the lines are gone.
So it was right here, and my fiance, he would sit on this side of the car and see it, and I just knew he was looking at it, so I'm so glad it's gone.
I don't like them at all.
It's like you said, you really don't notice them.
Roswell hairstylist Scott Law has broken veins on both of his cheeks, and at 46 he worries they make him look older than he really is.
I always notice these things in the mirror, and of course today Dr. Rudderman went, okay, you got a big one there, and I'm like, really?
You're going to feel little tiny pricks.
But in about 15 minutes, the veins begin to disappear, and Scott gets to watch as Dr. Rudderman zeroes in on his nose.
They're gone. It's amazing.
I literally watched that vein disappear.
This Veinwave technology won't cause discoloration, so it can be used on your face no matter how dark your skin tone. It's also effective on another area of the body where spider veins drive people crazy, their legs.
I just felt like a really old lady with these old veiny legs.
Growing up, Tina Rowden was careful to protect her skin from the hot Australian sun, and at 47, it shows. But the wedding photographer says there was no way to steer clear of the veins creeping up on her legs.
And you end up just never wearing short shorts or anything, short skirts, anything. I just end up covering my legs all summer.
Tina has also tried other treatments, but she says nothing worked until now. And all of a sudden, she's watching 20 years of tiny broken veins fade.
And it's just like closing it up. It's like sewing almost. You just sort of dots along and there it goes.
Veinwave cannot prevent you from developing new spider veins, but Dr. Rudderman says that usually takes time. So follow-up treatments can help you stay one step ahead of them.
Okay, so this is what we looked at before. And I mean, it's very slight redness.
Tina's legs will get a little redder, but in a couple of days, the veins will be gone for good.
It's really great that finally something is here that can change it, that can really make them go away.
And Dr. Rudderman says he charges about $300 for a treatment. He says most patients need just one and sometimes a less expensive touch-up. But if you have a lot of spider veins, he says you may need to come back several times. And this is not designed to treat the larger varicose veins, but other treatments can. You can read more about Veinwave and the OH2 medical spa by going to our website, myfoxatlanta.com. Tom and Amanda?
Well, you know, anytime we see needles, we think pain. So how bad is it?
We always talk about the pain scale, and tonight I think it's probably about a 6 out of 10. Stephanie and Scott said the pulses hurt most in the area around the nose that's very sensitive, but they say the needle is so tiny that it was actually not terrible.
And I was asking if it's dangerous. You said no, it's not.
No, it's pretty harmless. I mean, it's not going to discolor your skin or anything like that.
All right, Beth, thanks.